These are a few of my favorite things. Let's talk brushes. So I get this question a lot about what is my favorite brush or what brush should I be using to do my makeup. So what I did was I pulled some of my favorite brushes to use out of my kit, my personal kit. Okay, so my favorite brush to do my eyebrows with, which is just to clean them up, is the Morphe M167 brush. This brush I used with concealer and I put it right along here to clean up my eyebrows. I also use this brush to prep my eyelids and put the concealer on my eyelids also. So that's what this brush does. Morphe M167. Next is my two favorite blending brushes. I like the Sigma E40 brush and I like the Morphe R35 brush. It's pretty much the exact same brush. They just look a little different. But I use these to put on my transition color. And usually your transition color should be something matte, something in the browns, orange family to transition your eyeshadow from your eyebrows. So that is what this brush is for. The Morphe M507 and the Morphe M506. Very similar brushes. They're good for detailed blending in your crease area. They help to pack on the color and make the color way more precise. That's what I use these for. Oh, and also they're good for blending under the eye too with your eyeshadow. The next favorite brush is the Morphe R42 brush. This brush is a precise brush. It's good for packing color on your lid. It's good for putting on your shimmers as well as any matte colors that you're going to be putting on your eyelid. It's perfect for that. This brush packs on the color really, really, really well. It's my fave, and it's gold. This is my favorite all-in-one brush. I actually can do a complete eye look with just this one brush, and it is the Morphe M434. It's soft enough to be able to put on a transition color and blend out your transition color, as well as it's firm enough to pack on color on the lid. So I did a previous video where I did a one color, one brush look, and I used this brush. If I'm in a bind and I can only take one brush with me, I probably won't go. But if I'm in a bind and I can only take one brush with me, this is the brush I'm going to take because it gets the job done. It does everything. This brush is the Morphe M455. This brush is great as a pencil brush. See that point? Very detailed. It's very great when you're doing a cut crease and you want to make sure you have that detail right around the edge of the crease and really intensify that color. It's also very good for detailed work under the eye and even in the inner tear duct. That's all I use this for though, but it's a great bonus brush. Not a must-have, but definitely one of my favorites. So there you have it. These 8 brushes are my favorite brushes. These are my favorite eye brushes, must-haves for me. All of these brushes can be found at a Morphe store, and Morphe is also sold in Ulta. So you can go to Ulta Beauty, or you can go to a Morphe store, or you can go to the Morphe website to order any of these brushes. And then the one brush that I used that wasn't Morphe was the Sigma E40, and it can be found on the Sigma Beauty website. Yeah, that's where I ordered mine from. So again, these 8 brushes help me get the job done. Go get them.